Installing a window blind is fairly easy to do yourself with a few common tools. We are installing the new blind on a 35 by 25 window. This blind is made of vinyl and it's a cordless design, which makes it real easy to pull up and down. We will be doing an inside mount install, but it can be installed on the outside by using the same brackets it comes with. Tools needed is a drill, 2 pre-drill holes on wood, or concrete bit if on masonry, in which we will be doing, and will need some anchors since they are not included. A screwdriver or a screw bit for your drill, a measuring tape and pencil, and small hammer and painter's tape. One of the important things to get out of the instructions is to determine what type of application you will be doing and which way to face the brackets, and which we will be showing. First thing is to mark the holes on the ceiling while holding the brackets in position on the edge of the corner. Using a masonry bit, I mark it the length of the screw with tape to make sure the hole will be drilled deep enough for the anchors to fit all the way in the holes. Using the hammer setting on the drill will make this much faster. As I mentioned earlier, if you have wood around your window frame, a wood drill bit is all you need. For bit size and tools I used, see the description. Once the holes are drilled, insert and lightly hammer in the plastic anchors. Then position the brackets as described on the instructions. Insert the screws and tighten them. If we were installing the blind on the outside, we will use the backside holes of the bracket to fasten it on the outside of the wall. Once the installation of the brackets is complete, we could clip the blind. With the blind in the closed position, line the rail to the brackets. Insert the top front of the headrail into the front lip of the brackets. Then push the headrail into place. The click you just heard is the back bottom of the bracket click into the bottom of the rail. To take it down, just press the bottom of the clip brackets away from the headrail and pull away from it. After centering and clipping in each side, the only thing that remains is to insert the hook from the wand through the hole to open and close the louvers. If it's too long, you can cut it to size with a hacksaw. Now, finish by testing your new blinds. By turning the wand, you can tilt the louvers to the desired angle. To raise the blind, just push the rail up to the desired height and pull down to close it. That's it. Well, I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.